Calculate the mass of a non-volatile solute. Molar mass is given, it is 40 gram per mole, which should be dissolved in 114 gram octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. For doing this question, you have to understand the context properly. See here, what is the context? See, we have a solvent. To that solvent, we are adding non-volatile solute so that the vapor pressure is decreasing. And you have to find the mass of the solute added. For such a question, no doubt you have to use the equation of relative lowering of vapor pressure. What is the equation? Equation is PA standard. What is that? Vapor pressure of the pure solvent minus vapor pressure of the solution by vapor pressure of the pure solvent is equal to mole fraction of the solute. This is the equation, right? Also, remember this hint. For this type of question, here you can see, right? They have given the vapor pressure of solution in percentage. If vapor pressure of solution is given in percentage, take the vapor pressure of solvent as 100. So here PA standard you can take it as 100. And vapor pressure of the solution as what? Given percentage value. So what will be that? PA value will be 80. We can substitute the values. So it is what? 100 minus 80. PA is 80, right? By 100 is equal to chi B. Correct? On calculating, what we will get? 20 by 100, that is equal to chi B. So chi B is equal to what? Chi B is equal to 0.2. Put it as equation number 1. Okay. Now, what is the standard equation for chi B? Chi B means mole fraction of solute is equal to number of moles of solute by total number of moles, right? Number of moles of solvent will be always greater than what? Number of moles of solute. So, for mathematical easiness, what we are going to do? We are going to ignore the number of moles of solute in the denominator. We are going to ignore this. That is just for mathematical easiness, okay? Now, what is NB? Number of moles of solute is what? Mass of solute by molar mass of solute. And what is number of moles of solvent? It is mass of solvent by molar mass of solvent. So what is mole fraction? Mole fraction is equal to chi B is equal to NB. NB is what? WB by MB, right? WB by MB. Okay, now what is number of moles of solvent? It is WA by MA, correct? So WA by MA. Number of moles of solute NB by NA. We got up to this equation, right? Now WB we have to find, right? Mass of the solute. Molar mass of the solute is given in the question. What is that? 40 gram, correct? Now regarding solvent, what is solvent? Octane is a solvent, okay? What is the mass? WA is given. What is that? 114. How to find the molar mass of solvent? For that you must know the molecular formula of octane. It is C8H18. So what is the molar mass? 8 into atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 18 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. On adding you will be getting like 114. Okay. Now substitute all these values. Chi B is what? 0.2. Okay, WB we have to find. What is MA? 114. What is MB? 40. What is WA? 114. You can cut this directly, right? So what is the mass of solute? 40 into 0.2. On multiplying, what you will get? 8 gram. So we got the mass of non-volatile solute.